friends, welcome to the attic. Tracy here. If this is your first time here, I'd like to welcome you. And if you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. I'm starting off today with what I call Chit Chat in the Attic. It's where at the end of each month, I'll do a little recap of what we have done that month. And I'll also go over what I plan to do in the month to come. For June, we've had a jam-packed spooky month. We've worked with the Mystery of Crafty Hall from Tracie Fox. And I've also worked in the Facebook group Natty and Moon Creative's Facebook group for her event June-tober. Both of those have been packed with spooky things. I have had some technical issues for the month of June, so I have not been able to finish up the videos for the last 2 weeks of Crafty Hall, but I will be finishing that series out. So anybody that's been following along with that, don't fear, I will finish that series out the first week of July. We've also been working with the design team Kit from Crafty Dragon Creations. We were doing a start to finish altered book. Again, I have another video to end that series and show you the final product for that, and we will be finishing that up the first week of July. For July, we're going to slow things down a little bit, and I'm going to mainly be focusing on my design team projects for Crafty Dragon Creations and my design team projects for Natty and Moon Design Team. I hope you will hit the like and subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put any videos up with these new design team projects for the month of July. June has also been a packed month with growth for my channel. I appreciate all the kind comments I've got, all the likes, the new subscribers. I've also hit my milestone of 250 subscribers. I've actually went just a little bit over that now. And when I first started my channel, that was a goal that I had. And anybody that's watched my previous videos knows this was the first journal that I created here on my channel. And I had said in that video that I would actually give this journal away when I hit 250 subscribers. So to enter this video, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment. I would appreciate any comments on past videos that I've done, things you liked or didn't like about the videos. I would appreciate any new comments on things you would like to see on the channel for videos that I can do in the future. At the end of next week, Sunday, I will close the comments so that no more people can enter the giveaway, and I will pick a winner for this journal next Sunday. This giveaway will be open to everyone. I will not close it just for U.S. citizens, so anyone in the world, as long as you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, will be entered to win. You do have to have a public subscription. You can subscribe to my channel privately, but if you do that, you will not be entered in the giveaway because I will not be able to verify that you are a subscriber to the channel. If you'd like to see what this journal looks like, there is a video where I do a full detailed flip through of this journal. I will leave that in the description box and also in an end card. So I hope you've enjoyed the month of June. Again, it's been packed with spooky things. I will have the information in the description box where you can still pick up the Crafty Hall mystery and also where you can join Natty and Moon's Facebook group. And I do hope you'll hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified and come back as I start the new projects for July for my design team project for Natty and Moon and my design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. And until next time, y'all take care.